Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Prapti. I'm a second year physiotherapy student and welcome back to a new video. So basically अभी जो CT सेल की वेबसाइट है उस पे एडमिशन फॉर 2026-27 नीट यूजी पोर्टल खुल गया है जिसपे मेनली द नीट ब्रोशर इज रिलीज्ड and 4-5 notices भी आ गया which is mainly related to NRI, PWB and MBBS के rounds, documents and everything. So I have made this video explaining you the brochure कि कैसे क्या important चीजें हैं. Also, one main important thing that this year I am providing like one-to-one counseling program. It is a paid mentorship. So in the end of the video, you can watch that, and if you are interested, then you can message me on my Instagram. And yeah, let's continue with the main video. See you. And kuch bhi doubt ho, if you have anything, then you can message me here on my Instagram. So yeah, let's continue with the main screen sharing that I have recorded.
So we come firstly to the Chrome का main extension. Then we firstly type CET cell. The physiotherapy admission will take place via the CET जो महाराष्ट्र की site है. Then you tap on it, and then here on the first main portal, you find admission portal for academic year 2026 and 27. तो you click on it, and यहाँ पे various courses जो भी महाराष्ट्र offer करता है that comes. So under the undergraduate courses, यहाँ पे new ऐसे flash हो रहा है. So we'll click the NEET UG section, and here now you have the whole website that is there. जहाँ पे already 4 notices have come as you can see, and यहाँ पे एक brochure भी आ गया है. So one by one, we'll see all the notices and mainly the brochure. So once I download the brochure, it is of around 320 pages, जो मैंने देखा था पहले. So of course, 320 pages would be like very difficult for you all to read and everything. It takes time to load also. It is 374 pages ka. My main aim and primary will be talking about BPTH, which is Bachelor's of Physiotherapy. And यहाँ पर 374 pages है तो फिर now I have actually read almost gone through the PDF and understood कि क्या क्या important है in this PDF. So let me take you firstly through this PDF and make you all understand what is important and what is not. So I don't think so तुमको ये PDF पढ़ने की जरूरत है. I'll only tell you all कि exactly ये PDF क्या कहना चाहती है. So let's begin. Okay, so let's begin mainly. This is a brochure which gives us all the necessary information that we need to know about the counseling process जो भी आगे होने वाला है, through which you will get your dream college. So firstly, I mainly talk about BPTH. So now let's move forward. If you just want to read the index and like if you have any specific doubt, so you can go in that section and see कि exactly क्या क्या है. But straight coming to the main point. So this is the first section जहाँ पे there is a tentative schedule on when the admissions will start for physiotherapy student. So physiotherapy as a course, so it comes under group C. Group 1 में MBBS and everything is there, and group C में we have BPTH, BOTH, BASLP, BNYS, BPO and other courses. So now let's start talking about what's written over here. So declaration of the NEET UG result has already been made on 16th of July. After that, abhi online registration. So the first step in the admission process will be the online registration. उसमें application form, payment, registration fees and uploading documents. Very important. अभी इसके लिए no date is given till now. This will be updated on the website that I showed you all before. So like keep checking it. Even I'll keep checking it. So you have like a good idea. उसके बाद फर्स्टली स्टेट मेरिट लिस्ट निकलेगी. व्हाट इज द स्टेट मेरिट लिस्ट? बेसिकली ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव रजिस्टर्ड हियर, उन सबकी एक नाम की लिस्ट निकलेगी. उसके बाद इफ देयर इज एनी लाइक दे give थोड़ा सा time to make any changes if you want to make in the application form. For example, you have put any wrong detail or if you have put like any wrong document, so you get some time to make the necessary changes. After that there is a final, ये पहली list आएगी, फिर this will be the second list. This is the first list, this is the second list. This is not very important information. After that we have first round का choice filling where you will put I want this college की list. उसके बाद उसकी listing होगी. and then they will tell you कौन सी date तक join. So it's like fill the colleges, then it's like check what you have gotten and join if you are interested. Okay. After that, again, second round में same. First you fill, then you check what college you have gotten, and then you join. After that, if you have not registered, अगर किसी का यहाँ पर जो registration हुआ हमने जो ऊपर देखा वो रह गया, so again here you can register if not registered previously. अगर पहले register किया है तो of course you won't be registering again. Then again there is a merit list जहाँ पर जो one round के पहले हुआ और तीसरे round के पहले हुआ, like proper this is the third merit list. It is a long procedure, I understand, but it's like important to understand the flow of it, so mentally you are also prepared and you know ki, you know what you want and what is coming your way. After that, again online choice filling, then deciding what colleges you have gotten, and then coming to know like if you have to join round 3 में तो join करना ही पड़ेगा अगर college मिली है तो. If you haven't gotten any college in round 1, then we move on to vacancy rounds. 3 vacancy rounds will take place when like you don't have any colleges in round 3 as well. उसके बाद there is institute level 3 vacancy round for private colleges only, जहाँ पे you have to pay almost 3x the fees, and it is mainly called management quota. So उसके through admission होगा. And then there is the last date to fill and final cutoff date of admission process. This is okay, ignore it. Now, the documents, no, I'll mainly be talking in the second PDF that CET has released in another notice. Okay. After that, so this page mainly had a brief on how your counseling process and अंदाजन समझो अक्टूबर या नवंबर, almost अक्टूबर नवंबर तक this all procedures will keep continuing only, because like एक निकालेंगे फिर 5 दिन break, एक निकालेंगे 5 दिन break, so it takes time. It is not like, you know, हो गया मतलब, it does take time and it is like a tedious process to do. After that, let's talk about the next page. Coming to the next important page, I have them. So यहाँ पर we mainly talk about eligibility, that who exactly is eligible for admission into the health courses that are offered by CT Cell. So firstly, ये थोड़ा common है MBBS फिजियोथेरेपी, इसमें अलग से फिजियोथेरेपी का as such कुछ नहीं दिया, but just you should be an Indian citizen. But for physiotherapy, you don't really consider that. Pass 10th and 12th from state of Maharashtra, should be domicile of Maharashtra or staying in Maharashtra for a minimum period of 10 years as per this notice. Okay. In this page, we mainly talk about the basis of NEET UG marks only. Still, a lot of people have doubts कि CET के marks से मिलेगा क्या admission? So नहीं, we only need NEET UG 2026 के marks, very clear. After that, there was registration fees over here. For example, PDF page number 4. So you pay 1,000 rupees. अगर नॉर्मल स्टेट से लाइक तुम्हारे मार्क्स एंड मेरिट के बेसिस पे तुम्हें एडमिशन चाहिए, यू पे 5,000 rupees इफ यू वांट एडमिशन वाया IQ कोटा, एंड यू पे 6,000 rupees अगर यू आर नॉट श्योर कि किससे लेना है, तो टेक दिस ऑप्शन, अगर तुम्हें कैप से नहीं मिली कॉलेजेस देन यू कैन ट्राई द IQ कोटा. ओके, नेक्स्ट अप ही डिड दैट, ये सब अभी हमने डिस्कस किया. देयर वाज domicile of the candidate. Domicile of Maharashtra is very important. It's given in a tabular form at 7,000, 5,000, 6,000. Also, for BPTS, अगर तुम्हें IQ कोटा से लेना है तो भी, और fees is 1,000. And now, for example, let me tell you something. This is very, 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 very important. For example, you are confused if you want to take BDS or BPTH. So what will you do? You will not pay 1,000. You will pay 1,000 plus 5,000 if you are looking for IQ quota. अगर तुमने नॉर्मल 1,000 भरी, ओके, यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर एवरीथिंग. बट इफ यू डोंट पे 5,000 देन यू कैन नॉट टेक BDS का IQ कोटा, क्योंकि BDS एंड जो यहाँ पे जो कोर्सेज दिए हुए हैं MBBS BDS, उसके लिए अगर IQ कोटा से लेना है तो 5,000, and if you want to take BPTH and then only 1,000, 1,000, 1,000 every. so you don't have to worry. But here, if you want, then you have to pay. So in case you are not sure what you want to do, it's better you take this one. So बाद में तुम्हें कोई भी problem ना. Okay, this page says if a candidate belonging to the backward class of Maharashtra state only is eligible for claiming seat under reserved category. Applications for change in category from open to reserve after removal will be straight away reject. For example, if you want to fill under any of these categories, SC, ST, then there is this. So तुम्हें firstly in registration form only mention that I have to, like, I want from this category. If you tell later you're anything like straight away rejected, क्योंकि बाद में तुम्हें merit में you won't get the benefit of whatever category you have. So make sure proper caste certificate, caste validity, you must have everything in place before filling the form. Okay, here is group C on page number 47. So यहाँ पे everything in detail is given, that what all are rules, status retention, then what will be the cap round 1 ka procedure, 2 ka procedure, and who is eligible, how the process will go. So if you want to read, you can read this in detail so you understand how exactly everything is taking place. Okay. Again, this table I feel is like a summary. Physiotherapy के अलग से they would have the table. Here it is, BPTH. So if you want to read this once, and yeah, mainly PDF is like a information. It's pretty basic. I mean, they just tell you how the procedure and everything is going to take place. After that, नीचे हमारे पास एक proper college की list आएगी. As we reach the college, firstly we have 4 government colleges, 3 are in Mumbai, 1 is in Nagpur, and the seat intake is 10, 40, 10, 30, which brings a total of 90 government seats only. After that 296 से लेकर, let us see कितनी private colleges we have. 407, 296. So approximately 113 private colleges we have, and almost all the colleges have like a seat intake of more than 50 people. So if you are willing to take admission, तो mainly now what your strategy should be कि तुम पहले देखो कौन सी college चाहिए. By the way, I am providing a proper detailed counseling. Yes, I am going to provide in detail one-to-one counseling program. I'll explain you about that by the end of the video. So अगर तुम्हें तुम्हारी colleges check करनी है, so you can use this. Let me know if you want the PDF. Message me on Instagram, मैं तुम्हें ये भेज दूंगी, so you can check that as well. अभी in total, it's like 4 notices have come on the website. So I'll just take you like an overview of all the 4 notices. So firstly, we have persons with benchmark disability, which is PWBD category. So पहले only one certificate was enough. So in case you belong to this category, then must watch this part. So firstly, let's read it. Hereby informed that as per the NMC, it's like a National Medical Commission, just get through like who runs the admissions, it's like a main head, an eligibility certificate for the designated medical assessment board. So it is very important to obtain this certificate. In firstly, you have to register under this category in NEET UG 2026. After that, there is a valid eligibility certificate issued by the medical assessment board shall be considered eligible for the admission under this category. They need to upload the certificate at the time of registration for state counseling. After that, यहाँ पे नीचे दिया है कि कैसे register करना है. So in short, just take a note of it. If you belong to this category, make a certificate and go through this PDF. It's a long PDF actually. So go through this PDF completely so you understand कि कैसे क्या करना है. Now coming to the other PDF, in the second category we talk about if you are NRI. So NRI is non-resident Indian. So if you are like not from India, so this is mainly for MBBS because for the BPT admission you need. So in case if you are taking admission in group 1 or 2 courses, then this is important for you. And if you are from Maharashtra, if you are willing to take admission only in physiotherapy, skip this. After that, the next thing we talk about, this notice number 2 is actually important. So let's begin understanding about it. So if interested NEET UG 2026 candidates are informed that admissions blah blah by CAP at centralized admission process, that is CAP rounds by Maharashtra State Cell CT, will be on the NEET UG 2026 merit. and उसके लिए you will have to upload and submit relevant certificates in support of the claims made by them and requisite documents, certificates necessary for admission. All those candidates must take a note of it. अभी क्या क्या देना है? This is a big fat list that documents you need to have it. So I shall actually discuss this one by one because it is super important. First is the NEET UG admit card जो तुम्हारी hall ticket होती है वो hall ticket. Sorry for bad handwriting. This is not my original handwriting. सेकंड इज योर स्कोर कार्ड मतलब कि रिजल्ट. उसके बाद एसएससी सर्टिफिकेट मतलब कि अगर तुमने महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड से किया है वो, सीबीएसई वट एवर यू हैव डन, एसएससी की पासिंग सर्टिफिकेट यू मस्ट हैव एंड सिमिलरली एचएससी इसमें भी तुमने जो भी बोर्ड से किया हो दीज टू सर्टिफिकेट्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट. आफ्टर दैट नेशनैलिटी सर्टिफिकेट, it's for that NRI wala people, so you don't pay attention. Domicile certificate is super important. You must have your domicile certificate. अगर मैं ये सब बोल रही हूँ, you also have a notebook and write it down. Medical fitness certificate as per the brochure. Mainly your family doctor will give you this certificate pretty easy. Living certificate, transfer certificate. 12th living certificate is important. उसके बाद if you are applying in any caste, SC, ST, CEBC, OBC, SBC, whatever, caste certificate and caste validity certificate very important. Also, one mistake that I made which you shouldn't be making. So I am basically Gujarati, तो मैंने Jain minority ऐसे ही डाल दी. So now the amount of benefit I got zero. No benefit I got, but अभी मैंने वो मेरी form में I am a Jain, I am Gujarati. So because of that, I had to give them like this certificate, this certificate. I had to prove it, like I have to prove my caste that मैं ये caste की हूँ. तभी मुझे कोई benefit ही. So first you check कि real benefit will you get by putting your caste तो ही डालो, नहीं तो बाद में आगे कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेने के बाद बहुत झंझट मारी होगी. After that, non-free layer certificate again for the categories. In case you are from economically weaker section, मतलब 8 लाख से तुम्हारी income कम होनी चाहिए. तो इट्स लाइक EWS सर्टिफिकेट एंड उसमें भी महाराष्ट्र स्टेट फॉर्मेट में वो सर्टिफिकेट होनी चाहिए. ऑर्फन सर्टिफिकेट एंड बेंचमार्क, PWB, whatever certificate you have. Defense wali, hilly area, a lot of people have a lot of advantage. So use it. Now basic like Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport. If you don't have passport, not compulsory. उसके अलावा और डॉक्यूमेंट का ऑप्शन है, लाइक दे गिव यू स्लैश, यू कैन पुट दैट डॉक्यूमेंट. एंड जहाँ पे माइनॉरिटी मतलब स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट, रिलीजियस बैकग्राउंड थिंग्स इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस आई वाज थिंकिंग मैंने एफिडेविट स्टेटिंग दैट आई बिलोंग जैन मैंने इसमें भर दिया था, बट आई डिड नॉट गेट एनी एडवांटेज ऑफ इट. But and the same thing is here given in Marathi, I guess. After this, we have the last one PDF left. No, okay. So यहाँ पे this is only MBBS and BPTH, but I'm just showing you all की ऐसे तुम लोग का भी आएगा तो तुम्हारे में लिखा होगा ग्रुप सी. आफ्टर दैट एसएससी नाउ दे हैव रजिस्ट्रेशन टाइम यहाँ से यहाँ डेट तक, फिर वहाँ पे उनका फीस गेटवे, फिर डॉक्यूमेंट्स भरने हैं सेम डेट्स पे. आफ्टर दैट वेरिफिकेशन होगा, फिर लिस्ट निकलेगी, पब्लिकेशन ऑफ द फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट, सीट मैट्रिक्स निकलेगा एंड देन ग्रुप वन का सब चालू होगा विच इज इन अगस्त mid 20. तो इतने टाइम तो रजिस्ट्रेशन डॉक्यूमेंट फिलिंग हो सकता. तो नाउ इफ वी थिंक यहाँ पे 23 अराउंड उनका चालू हो रहा है, सो एज्यूम 15 to 23 के बीच में तुम लोग का फिजियोथेरेपी रजिस्ट्रेशन चालू. अभी रजिस्ट्रेशन किसका चालू है? एमबीबीएस एंड बीडीएस ओनली. उसके बाद फिजियोथेरेपी का इट विल स्टार्ट आफ्टर सम टाइम, बीच में पहले बीएएमएस का भी चालू होगा. I mean that's it for the notice and everything that I have explained to y'all. Now coming to the most exciting part, which like abhi whatever doubts a lot of students have, so they actually message me on my Instagram. By the way, this is my Instagram. You can follow me there and message if you have any doubts. But अभी होता क्या है पता है, as I post any video related to counseling, so a lot of students message me कि we have this doubt. Due to which I thought कि let's focus on a few students and actually help them एकदम अच्छे से, for which I actually started a counseling program. Now let me give you more details about it in a while. I am super excited to be announcing this. So, as I was saying, a lot of students do ask me doubts, and I actually got a few messages that can you please help us in counseling one to one. So, now I'll just explain you in this PDF that what I offer, why did I start this. So, I would be very grateful if you take out 5 minutes and please listen to what I have to say. So, firstly, in case if you are confused about BPTH counseling admission, you are definitely not alone because thousands of students face this confusion कि क्या करें कैसे करें. and make mistakes. Last year की बात लो, 2-3 students actually missed going to their dream college because of few silly mistakes that they made. Okay. So every year, hundreds of students lose their dream college not because of the low marks exactly, but because wrong counseling decisions. So which college should I choose is their main confusion. What should be my preference order? Should I upgrade my college? Should I freeze it? Should I take a free exit? And how do I avoid mistakes? That's exactly why I created this mentorship. So I took admission in 2024. This was my year when I took admission. Then in 2025, I made videos on YouTube related to counseling. And in 2026, I want to do something more better for the students. Hence, I'm starting this counseling program. After that, here you get personalized guidance throughout the entire Maharashtra BPTH counseling process, mentored by Prapti Gala. After that, counseling isn't difficult, making the right decisions is. In case if you're confused about colleges, which college is actually better for your school? If you have cap round confusions, last minute panic कि करना क्या चाहिए अब, wrong preference order, information overload, fear of making mistakes, then you must join in. You don't need more information, you need someone who helps you, which can be me. Okay, again, here I've written this and everything. So, now exactly what will happen in your personal BPTH counseling program? From registration to final admission, I'll guide you through every important step of Maharashtra counseling. First is BPTH counseling selection, पहले personalized counseling selection. Preference list में I can help you. I'll conduct a few Google sessions. Google Meet जिससे I can explain कि अब ये होगा, guiding you all. Of course, you will have access to my WhatsApp number जहाँ पे we will have groups and everything, which I'll explain further. फिर डॉक्यूमेंट में if you have any issue, कैंप अराउंड गाइडेंस, सीटी अपडेट्स जो आएंगी, and of course parents are very involved in this procedure. You will never feel alone during the counseling because instead of figuring everything out by yourself, you will have someone to guide you. इसमें और एक चीज थी, when I was looking for admission in 2024, I did not get any personalized counseling programs, जिसकी वजह से I guess I made mistakes and which I definitely don't want y'all to make. Now, this is more than real guidance, let me tell you. It's not like randomly I'll be giving you all any information. Like, for example, I will post videos on YouTube related to counseling, but they would be very general advice for everyone. No one to one personal, no preference review, no one to ask before locking choices. You're making decisions alone. Here, I'll guide you, personalized preference lists, WhatsApp doubts, CAP guidance, everything, because every student's counseling journey is different. Now, here we have two types of programs. Because I understand थोड़े लोगों को ऐसे होगा कि we don't want to spend much. If you go out, they charge you 10K plus for basic counseling, which I feel is not required because you can like fill your own form, dude. So what I want to offer is beyond this. Let me like be very clear. You don't have to figure out it alone. Get personalized guidance. Now, first we talk about the main standard, like basic program. So this is called the standard program, where you pay 499 as written, and you have like a common WhatsApp group access where I share all the information I get about colleges, and all the notices are sent to you over here, all the CT updates. You get access to the Google Meets that I take, and general doubt solving, like you can message on the group, and then I'll reply to you all like within some time. And basic cap round guidance, if you have any major doubt you can ask me on the group. It's like I'm available to answer. This is the common group that we'll have. And second is the premium. It is 899 rupees 1 to 1 membership. Everything of course in standard you are a part. Now here what I have planned, we will have a group of 4 people: me, student, and the 2 parents or the guidance, whoever is your guide. So these. So we will have like personalized college selection 1 to 1, preference list review 1 to 1. You can have a call with me. We can discuss personally on WhatsApp that this is that priority responses, of course, but I am keeping this limited only to 20 students. because if I take more students, I won't be able to give time properly. So it's basically on first come, first basis. So how do you we register? So to register, firstly you have to DM me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, Prapti Physio. You can search the link. I have put it in my YouTube description. Choose your plan, join and receive complete guidance. Limited premium seats. Once 20 seats are booked, I won't take further seats. So you can DM me. These are basic questions that I would like to answer. Who is this mentorship for? If you are taking admission in NEET UG through Maharashtra Physiotherapy, parents can join in the premium plan for better clarity. It's like proper communication. There should not be any miscommunication, and your parents should be like very intact. Will you guarantee admission? I mean, okay, college, like I can't guarantee you the exact college, but I provide you guidance based on your mark, rank, category, preferences, official CET notification. Of course, you can ask me any doubts as per the plan, whatever. When does the mentorship begin? अभी देखो registration for physiotherapy has not come yet, but I already have 2 to 3 students on board who actually messaged me कि we want mentorship. But उसके अलावा like we have been discussing कि कौन सी college मिलेगी and how the procedure will be. It's definitely a one-time payment for the year 2026. It's like you ask, I guide, and further you decide what you want to do. My goal is pretty simple: to help you make confident decisions and not make mistakes. Okay. Last year, I actually gave free counseling on my Instagram page to help students, and that actually made a real difference. You can see people, thank you, thank you, thank you. And these two messages actually touched my heart. That thank you so much for replying, ma'am. The suggestion is really helpful. Your suggestion really clears my doubts that I should score, choose state quota for round one and two. And so new picture, and it's really great. And again, here, thank you so much for your help. Great help, and blessings like these make me so happy and motivated to work more hard. So, yeah, in case you want the mentorship, message me on Instagram. What I told you, Prapti Physio. And I feel with this, we actually bring us to end of today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and yeah, bye.